New at 6, did you know Rochester's water main system is more than 150 years old and is only one of 2 cities left in America who use it? It's called a Holly system. It started back in the 1860s. News 10 NBC's Aaron Mahin dug into the details of this water system and brings us the scoop live from the Holly pumping station in Rochester. Aaron, what'd you find out?
If you've ever seen water gushing onto the street after a water main break, it's probably coming from a Holly system pipe. Instead of having one main system that's for both drinking water and fighting fires, the city made the decision back in the 1870s to have 2. So there's a domestic line that goes to homes and businesses, and there's also a separate line that's just for fighting fires. And that Holly system is located at this Holly pumping station right behind those gates. It all started with this man, Birdsall Holly. He invented steam-powered pumps that pulled water from the Genesee River and pushed it through underground mains to hydrants throughout the city. Rochester adopted this system in the 1870s because the domestic line water pressure is based on gravity, so it would be harder to fight fires in higher elevation areas than downtown. The Holly system makes sure firefighters have enough water pressure no matter where they are in the city. I asked the manager of water production, David Rowley, what the system looks like and how it works.
So the Holly system itself is comprised of about 26 miles worth of mains. And to visualize what they look like, think of a spider web that kind of goes out from where we're standing right now and encompasses the central business district here in the city.
The Holly pumping station switched from steam-powered pumps to electric ones in the early 20th century. Today, these jockey pumps maintain the water pressure at 110 pounds per square inch, or PSI. A typical home has a water pressure measure of only about 60 PSI for context. The Holly system pressure gives firefighters about 100 feet of extra lift when spraying their hose. Rowley says this high pressure can lead to main breaks.
You know, the Holly system runs at a much higher pressure, so it is more susceptible to when things break. It's a lot more dramatic. So when you see a Holly break here in downtown, you'll notice a whole lot more water sometimes than if you see a break on our domestic system out in a neighborhood somewhere.
A lot of the original Holly system parts have evolved over the years, like, for example, having electric pumps instead of using steam-powered ones. But the original intent behind it stays the same. There's a reason behind having a line that's just for domestic use and drinking water and a line solely for fighting fires. And it turns out the benefit of that is actually better fire protection overall for the city. Live in Rochester, Aaron Mahin, News 10 NBC.